Shalom and welcome back. And a lot of work is being done. We've got several teams working day and night, flat out, 24/7, making sure that everything comes together quite perfectly. And as you can see, we're standing on the pavement and one of the quadrants that have been done already. They're moving, they're making great progress in that direction.
It's an amazing thing, Pastor Koramba. It's something phenomenal that the first conference that we have post-COVID is the Passover Conference, specifically organized, planned by the voice, our father, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa. And like what Pastor Koramba is saying, paving is already, as you can see just behind us, a hive of activity. People are paving and a lot more is happening. It'll be explained shortly.
So in a few moments, we'll be inviting the director of the project to take us through what's been done on the ground with regards to the stormwater drainage, water, and the paving work. They need 1 million pavers to finish the almost 20,000 square meter land required.
It tells you the magnitude of the activity that is taking place here and even the resources dedicated by the prophet and the prophetess to personally ensure that this project is a success.
What you see before me is the blocked drainage system, which the prophet is unblocking and making sure that it's no more a danger to the community and the general public. He is also expanding in partnership with the town council the road so that it becomes safe for any road user. This is community service at its best. We are doing a massive paving exercise. We'll be paving 20,000 square meters. We have stabilized the ground, removed all the expansive material. Now we are paving 2,000 square meters. That's a massive work. Below the pavers, we've put a serious and massive drainage system. We are covering 2 hectares of paving. This is creating employment for the community. It's creating employment to the suppliers of these pavers.
There we have it. What an enormous amount of work being done here. Resources being poured in by the prophet and the prophetess to ensure that this magnificent and great vision comes to fruition as we count down until the launching of the major Passover Conference. Remember, the dimension of power that is going to be introduced now, post these COVID mandates, is going to be out of this world.
It's not just going to be an experience, it's going to be an encounter with God through the man, Prophet Emmanuel Makandiwa.
Shalom.
Shalom.